So the next aspect coming from the Youth Who Thrive literature review is the key features for positive developmental setting. So reviewing and enhancing youth environment with these features can help boost protective factor in general. So some of them may overlap with the ARC model that we discussed right before, but there are also other aspects. And so this is a quick and easy checklist of 10 aspects that we can try to implement in our programming. So first, supporting relationships. Supporting relationship from staff, supporting relationship from other youth, mentorship. So really just making sure that folks have at least one or two people they can go to and have a supported and feel supported by. 2, opportunities to belong. So really fostering that sense of belonging. And I know we have mentioned it a few times throughout the different aspects of the Blueprint for Action, but belonging is really important and can do so much for youth. Then we have positive social norms. So making sure that the rules that are in place have a positive connotation, trying to think in a positive way rather than just no's. Integration of family, school, and community efforts. So a little bit like we discussed in the previous section about how we can have activities that involve family at large in the school and create that sense of community, and also foster family relationship and relationship between the community members in general. 5 is physical and psychological safety. So here we can come back a little bit with the social and built environment from the school health framework. So really making sure that folks have support to feel safe physically and psychologically. And that is having strong relationship. That is feeling like the space is judgment-free. That is having water to drink, gym to run and to play. It's having outdoor activities as well. So making sure that they have plenty of opportunities and that these are feeling safe. 6, appropriate structure. Appropriate structure may vary from one context to another, from one activity to another. Appropriate structure in some place is having adults involved, highly involved, and guiding youth. In other contexts, it might be just observing, being on the side and not saying much. So analyze what is needed from your group and you know, have faith that youth can achieve a lot alone, and you can be there as a support, and you can jump in when they need it. Here again, going with the autonomy aspect. So you do not impose your presence. You do not impose and give unsolicited advice. You wait, you observe, and when it's time, when it's needed, then you can provide that appropriate structure. 7, support for youth to be effective and feel like they matter. Everyone matters. So just make sure that everyone feels that. 8, opportunity for skill building. Through activities, through workshops, through, it can be formal or informal, but youth need these, especially soft skill building, and they like it so much when they see that they can gain leadership skills, communication skill, and even hard skills. So for example, you know, art-based skills, or how to be a good speaker, for example, and things like that. So youth like to learn new things. So try to find opportunities for skill building, and you will see that this will foster a really safe environment. 9, diversity of experience. So diversity of experience in the staff, in the youth, and just embrace that diversity, acknowledge that there are so many different perspectives, so many different backgrounds. And finally, customizing for particular youth needs. So by listening to them, by listening to their concern, their needs, we can more easily customize the programs or the activities for their particular needs. And this is likely to lead to a positive developmental settings.